everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add, remove and reorder the tabs in Salesforce. So let's proceed and discuss how we can add tabs using the app manager in Salesforce Lightning. So before we will start, I will explain you that what does we mean by adding a tabs to a Salesforce application. So we mean that when I create a tab, it only created. It will not add to the navigation bar. For adding it to the navigation bar, you need to add it with the help of an app manager, and you can also add it with the help of an application. And you can also delete it or reorder it if you want. So let's proceed and discuss the proper steps of adding tabs using the app manager. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org. Now you need to log in into the Salesforce account with the help of administrator credential. Once you successfully logged in into your account, you need to click on the gear icon and then select the setup option. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to the main setup page of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Once you reach here, you need to move to the quick find box that is present on the left side, and here you need to search for the app manager. Now enter the app manager in the quick find box, and then here you can see the app manager option is present under the apps. So click on this app manager option and it will redirect us to the Lightning Experience app page, where we will get the list of all the apps that are present in the Salesforce Lightning application. Now it's time to choose the app where you want to add their tab. So I am going to show you for the stock marketing app. So now search for the stock marketing app, and here is the stock marketing app. Now click on the drop down arrow and then click on the edit button. Once I click on the edit button, it takes me to the page, and from here I open up the Lightning App Builder, and here under the app settings we have a navigation item. Click on this navigation items. Once I click on that, it shows me that you choose the item to include in the app and arrange the order in which they appear. So here I search for the tab from the available items. Now here I am selecting content tab and then click on the add button, and it will add to the selected item list. You can see our contact tab is add to the selected item list. After adding to the selected items, now click on the save button. Once I click on the save button, I successfully complete the procedure of adding a tab to a Salesforce Lightning application with the help of the app manager. Now let's move ahead. Now we are going to learn how to add a tab using application option in Salesforce Lightning. So let's go to our Salesforce org again, and then again click on the gear icon and select the setup option, and it will redirect us to the main home page of the setup. Here you will get the app launcher option. Click on this app launcher, and now on the search bar you need to search for the application on which you want to add a tab. So here I search for the stock market, and here is our application stock market. Click on it and it will redirect to the page of the stock market application, and here you can see at the navigation bar a pencil icon is present on the top right corner. Click on this pencil icon. Now it will ask you to personalize your name bar for this app. So we want to personalize my name bar, and then click on the add more items and then select the all from the available items. And now this time I want to add the tab as a cases. So I select the cases, click on the plus icon and then click on the add one navbar item. Our one item is added to our list. Then save your update, click on the save button, and navbar was successfully updated. And you can see our tab cases is added on the navbar inside the stock market application. Now proceed further and now discuss how to delete tabs using App Manager in Salesforce Lightning. So let's move ahead and go to our Salesforce Lightning org. Now click on the gear icon and click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the main page of the setup. And now enter the App Manager in the quick find box and select the app manager, and it will redirect us to the Lightning Experience app manager page. And inside this page lots of apps are present. Now I'm going to select the stock marketing app, then click on the edit button. Now select the navigation item that is present under the app settings. Now this time I want to delete the app tab from this stock marketing app, and I want to delete this tab. So I click on this tab contact from the selected item list and then click on the remove arrow, and it will be removed from the selected item and move to the available item list, and then hit the save button, and our tab is successfully deleted from the navbar of the stock marketing app. Now move ahead and discuss how to delete the tabs using app in Salesforce Lightning. Now move to our Salesforce Lightning org, then click on the app launcher and then search for the stock marketing app. Click on the stock market and it will redirect us to the stock marketing app page, and here you can see on the nav bar a pencil icon is present. Click on this pencil icon, and here I want to delete the tab, and you can see there are some tabs present which has no cross icon because this tab is a by default tab. So I want to remove this contact tab, so I click on this cross option and our contact tab is removed. This tab is not by default, that's why it removed very easily. Click on the save button, and here we go. We can see our contact tab is removed from the stock marketing app successfully. If I want to remove this account tab, it will not remove because it is a by default tab that is present on the nav bar inside the stock marketing app. Now move ahead and discuss how to reorder the tabs using App Manager in Salesforce. So move to our Salesforce Lightning org. Now our setup page is open. Now enter the App Manager in the quick find box and select the App Manager, and it will redirect us to the Lightning Experience App Manager page where lots of apps are already present, and here we want to select the stock market app, and here is our stock market app. Click on the drop down arrow and then click on the edit button. It will redirect us to the Lightning App Builder page. Now select the navigation item, and here you can see the available items and the selected item. Now we want to reorder the items in from the selected list. Here I want to reorder the tabs from the selected item list. So for this I click on the contact and click on the move up arrow, and it will move the content in the upward direction, and then I want to move this contract in the upward direction. So I click on the move up arrow, and it will move the contract in the upward direction, and then hit the save button, and our tabs are reordered now. Now we move ahead and discuss how to reorder the tabs using application in Salesforce. So for this, move to our Salesforce Lightning org. Now click on the app launcher and search the stock market app. Select the stock market, and it will redirect us to the Lightning Experience stock market page. And now click on the pencil icon that is present on the nav bar. Now personalize your nav bar item, and we want to reorder this navigation item. So we use the drag and drop. I want this cases under the context, so I drag this cases and drop it below the account. Now I want this email template below the cases. Now drag this email template and drop it below the cases tab, and then hit the save button, and you can see our nav bar is successfully reordered. So with this we have learned how to add, delete and reorder the tabs in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.